So along with the Note 9, Samsung unveiled a few other things. One of those other things is the all-new Galaxy Watch. So, no more Galaxy Gear, this and that. I mean, they just want to focus on, new branding, packing all the things they've learned while they was using the gear. So here we are, Galaxy Watch, coming in two sizes, 42 millimeter and 46 millimeter for, specifically male or female. You have a beautiful 1.2 inch Super Amoled display. That lovely crown you use to navigate, that's still there. So it's running Tizen. I know a lot of people were hoping and thinking it might run Wear OS, but this is all Samsung in regards to the software. There will be an LTE model coming later, but as far as the watch itself, this has everything in regards to accelerometer, heart rate monitor, barometer, and all that stuff. So this is more health oriented. So in regards to stress management, breathing techniques, heart rate monitor, you can do exercises. So you got 21, indoor exercises and 39 tracked workouts overall. And then you have the amazing, they quote it at 4-day battery life. So for a smartwatch, that's pretty good because all these other ones barely get through a day. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. And then with it being Samsung, you have everything that it offers in regards to Samsung Health, Samsung Pay, smart things, and band is cool. It's that atypical plastic band that you would get with most new smartwatches. I'm currently using the Fossil Q3. Yeah, so if you love the Gear series, you definitely might want to check out what the Gear Watch is offering. They announced pricing. So the 42 millimeter version will be out for $330, while the 46 millimeter unfortunately will be $350. So it's going to be a little bit more than you may be anticipating or want to spend. So there you have it, Samsung Galaxy Watch. Thanks for watching. Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. And see you in the next video. Peace.